Hello everyone, so today we have 5 to the power of s equals to 500 and x is the unknown. We're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation 5 to the power of x is equals to 500. So the first thing to do is to take log to base 10 on both sides. That is, log 5 to the power of x equals to log 500. And here we're going to allow the power of s to multiply the base, that is, s times log 5 will be equals to log 500. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, click on the subscription button, hit on the like button so that more person can have access to this video. Thank you. So let's continue. Here we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient of s, which is log 5. That is, all over log 5. All over log 5. So that log 5 can cancel log 5, that is 1, and 1 times x will be x equals to 500 can be written as 125 times 4. 125 in an index form is 5 to the power of 3. 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. And in place of 500, we are going to replace it with 5 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. S therefore will be equals to log 5 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 all over log 5. S is equals to log 5 to the power of 3 plus log 2 to the power of 2 all over log 5, all over log 5 in separate fraction. Recall log A times B is represented as log A plus log B. This is what we applied here that gave us this line, and we are fine. And if we bring these powers down to multiply the base, the value of s becomes equals to 3 log 5 over log 5 plus here 2 log 2 all over log 5. So that log 5 can cancel out log 5. What is left will be 3. S therefore will be equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 all over log 5. And this can be written as s equals to 3 plus 2 log 2 base 5. And we are fine. And these are value for x. Thank you for staying tuned to the end. Click on the subscription button before you go. Bye bye.